Hello students, welcome back to our another session of EVS chapter 5. We saw how Anita, the girl star, fulfilled her dream of going to school by starting a business of beekeeping. Now children, before moving further with the chapter, let us discuss the homework given in the previous session. Solution for the homework. Question number 1. Have you seen any insects near flowers? Find out their names and write. Answer. Yes, I have seen honeybees and butterflies near flowers. Question number 2. Why do they come to the flowers? Find out. Answer. They come to the flowers to collect nectar. Now, let's see how Anita became a beekeeper. She completed her beekeeping course but did not have money. But Anita was a brave girl. She did not lose hope. She continued teaching other students and could collect rupees 5,000. With this, she bought 2 boxes of rupees 2,000 each. With the remaining money, she also bought some sugar to make the syrup and medicines to clean the beehives. Isn't it amazing? Children, you see how hardworking Anita is. Now Anita's business of beekeeping started growing. She had to purchase 2 more boxes to keep the bees. But do you know, students, it was not easy for Anita to do this. We all know, children, that honeybees don't just make sweet honey, they also bite. It is called stinging. So Anita also faced the same problem. She did not have extra money to purchase the protective overcoat which could protect her from bee stings. You can see that in the picture here. Many times bee would bite her, and as a result her face and hands would get swellings. But she never complained because she herself had decided to do this business. Anita observed that honeybees are attracted to lychee flowers, and she knew that lychee flowers bloom in the month of February. So she kept all 4 boxes near the lychee orchards. Do you know, students, what is orchards? An orchard is a kind of farm where fruits trees are grown. This way, she collected 12 kilograms of honey from each box. She sold this honey in the market. This was her first earning from beekeeping. This way, she increased her business, and now she has 20 boxes. So children, now let us understand the process of beekeeping in detail. Wooden boxes are used to keep the honeybees, but how do they attract the honeybees? Yes, they keep sugar syrup in the box, so honeybees come to drink that like a flower nectar. Then after few days, smoke is given to keep the bees away from the box to take out honey, so that while taking out honey, they will not sting. Children, you can see in the picture here how a professional beekeeper is giving smoke to the box, and while doing so, he has worn a jacket and a cap to avoid bee sting. After removing the bees from the hive, honey is squeezed out like as shown in the picture. Can you see, children? Then it is cleaned and packed in bottles and sold. Do you know, students, after taking out honey from the comb, the leftover part is used as wax. So in the picture, here you can see how wax is taken out, and we all know wax is used to make beautiful candles, isn't it? Children, have you heard of the famous wax museum, Madame Tussauds, which is in London? Yes, in that museum, many statues of famous personalities of the world are put, and these statues are made of wax. Isn't it amazing? You can see in the picture here statues made of wax look exactly like the real ones. Do you know, students, now Anita is grown up. Now she goes to college, and for that every day she cycles for 5 kilometers to reach her college. So can you imagine now? Who must be taking care of her beekeeping business? Yes, her parents. Her mother prepares the sugar syrup and her father takes the honey out of the boxes. This shows that now her parents have also started supporting her so that she can continue her studies. Now Anita has become very famous in nearby villages, so she goes to all the village meetings and explains how important it is to study. She has already decided that she wants to become a wholesaler so that she can help the villagers to earn more money in the business of beekeeping. So students, till now we learned how bravely Anita continued her business along with her studies despite facing many problems. So children, this teaches us all that nothing is impossible if you dare. Children, do you know how to treat a bee sting? We all know that there is always a solution to any problem. So for a bee sting also, we have a remedy. Here are some first aid tips to cure a bee sting. First, remove the stinger from where the bee has bitten. Then wash that area with antiseptic, let it dry, and then apply some antiseptic cream. If that area is swollen, you can apply ice cubes after every 2 to 3 hours until the pain is gone. Before ending the session, let's see the homework. Question number 1. What do people do when the bee has stung? Question number 2. What will be the cost of Anita's 20 boxes? Children, we have already discussed that Anita
bought
2 boxes for rupees 2000 each. So now you calculate the cost of 20 boxes and try to write answers for these questions in your own words. In the next session, we will learn about honeybees in detail. Bye for now. Thank you.